Hey there, Linux enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech essentials in a simple, straightforward way. Today, we're tackling how to change your Linux password in 2025. Whether you're a beginner securing your system or an experienced user updating for better privacy, this quick guide will have you covered. Let's dive right in. First things first, why change your password? In 2025, with increasing cyber threats, keeping your credentials fresh is crucial for protecting your data. The good news is, changing a password on Linux is a breeze and hasn't changed much over the years. It's still based on reliable command line tools. To get started, make sure you're logged into the user account whose password you want to change. Open your terminal. That's the command line interface you can find by searching for terminal in your applications menu. Once you're in the terminal, type the command password and hit enter. You'll be prompted to enter your current password first. Type it in carefully. Remember, nothing shows on screen for security reasons. After that, you'll need to enter your new password twice to confirm it. Make sure it's strong. Aim for at least 12 characters, mixing uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and symbols. If everything goes smoothly, you'll see a message confirming that your password has been updated. But what if you run into issues? Common errors include mistyping your current password or restrictions on password complexity. Double-check your inputs and ensure your new password meets any system policies. One quick tip. If you're changing another user's password, you'll need administrative privileges. Use sudo password username for that, but be cautious with root access to avoid security risks. And there you have it. That's how you change your Linux password in just a few simple steps. This process works on most distributions like Ubuntu or Fedora, keeping things consistent in 2025. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe online, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.